Okay guys, this is Unamus again signing in YouTube. Okay guys, this for now I will not show you a tutorial. What I will do is I want to talk about this, okay? Unamus tutorial, some facts about Yahoo booters virus. Okay? As you can see guys, Yahoo booters have some of them have virus, okay? Especially crack booters, paid booters which is cracked by some crackers, okay? Okay, this is a fact. Okay, some paid booters, some paid tools in Yahoo, in order for them, some crackers, in order for them to crack it, they are packing it with a virus. So this is a fact, okay? Now, in order to make it reverse engineer, they are packing it with virus. Now, to make it work, they're loading up some virus in the paid Yahoo tools for it to work. Now, don't be afraid of that, okay? When the virus is provided by the cracker, sometimes it's not harmful, okay? Many times, okay? As you go, in a scale of 190%, it's not. Maybe it will do some harm in your computer, but not that harm that it will go to a format, okay? That's a fact. Now, when the virus is a worm, listen very carefully. When a virus is a worm, that is a dangerous virus, okay? When you get the virus in the site, and sometimes booters do have a virus like Dark Slime virus. It's okay if you download it in your booters when it says component Dark Slime OCX is missing. Dark Slime is okay, guys, okay? So that's a fact. In order to the cracker to make a paid tools, they unpack it. They're putting some virus in there to make it work, and most of the times, all of the booters in Yahoo tools have viruses. Okay, that's a fact too. So don't be afraid. Okay, just note when the virus is a worm, okay, and a malware not provided by the crackers, it is very dangerous. But if it's provided by the crackers who crack the tools, tell you guys, it's not dangerous. Okay? So this is Unamus signing out in YouTube. Love you guys. So many people asking me about there's a lot of virus in these tools, there's a lot of virus in this tool, they don't want to use it. Now I'm telling you this, okay? So that's why I made this short talk to you in YouTube. Okay guys, bye bye.